Hey there! When you initiate a new repository, the name of the main branch is automatically set as master. Many people have become aware that the terminology master-slave should be replaced with something more appropriate. Most companies choose to name the main branch as main. So let's do that. In the command line, run the following command: git config --global init.default branch, and I said we're gonna go with main as the name of the branch. Alright, so this command will add a new configuration to your .git config, as you can see here. So from now on, when you initiate a new repository, the name of the main branch will be main. Alright, that was it for now. If you enjoyed this video, stick around as I'll be creating more tutorials on Git. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.